Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a kind of speed run through of this makeup look. So it's just going to be me doing the look. I'm not going to be really talking to you guys or anything because I don't know how to body paint and talk at the same time when it's this in depth. This is my first attempt at doing a skull makeup. So if it's not as good as you guys would hope it would be, this is my first try. So this is a look that Crispy here on YouTube did about 2 years ago. So I'm just attempting to do one of her looks. I have a contact in right now, a blind contact from the brand Camo Eyes, and it's irritating the shit out of my eye. So if you see me looking kind of weird out of this eye, it's because I can't see anything. It's completely fuzzy. So this video is in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Laura Christina. She does such amazing eye looks. She does amazing body paints. She just does all around amazing looks in general. So this video is in collaboration with her. So she is also doing a skull, and her skull is probably going to be 3 million times better than mine ever will be, but I digress. This is as good as I can do. So please go give Laura's video a watch after you watch this one. Go give Laura's Instagram a follow, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, just keep watching.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. Oh, hi. It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night. You seem a
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So obviously this was completely different than what I usually do on this channel. I usually do like talk through tutorials, and this isn't really a tutorial. This is more like a speed run of me doing this look because I made a lot of mistakes, and honestly I've been painting for like the last 5 hours and this is what I came up with. So I am not very good at body painting, and I just wanted to give this a try for spooky season because I've never actually done a full skull before, and I really wanted to give it a try, and it is a lot harder than it looks. So I want to thank the YouTuber Crispy because I followed her tutorial. So this is obviously going to be me trying to do Crispy's skull Halloween makeup tutorial from like 2 years ago, so from 2019. So she did a phenomenal job. Mine isn't even close to as good as what hers is, but I think I did pretty good for my first attempt at a skull. So this video is in collaboration with my friend Laura Christina here on YouTube. So if you guys haven't already checked out Laura Christina's videos, go check her out. She does such amazing looks. She is doing 31 days of looks for October on her Instagram, and that is insane. I don't know how she does it. I don't know how she finds the time. This is like my first look, and we are on, what day is it today? October 21st, and this is my first Halloween look that I'm doing. So Laura is amazing. She's phenomenal at body painting. She's phenomenal at makeup. So go give her a like, follow, and subscribe because she deserves it. And this is just my Halloween skull attempt. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.